Hi friends, in today's video I will be doing a quick comparison between Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 versus 2020 12.9-inch iPad Pro. Come, let's get started. To begin with hardware, packed with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 offers the fastest speeds you will find on any Android tablet. This is an LTE version with 6GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. On the other hand, iPad Pro runs on A12Z Bionic chip with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, both equipped with a high-quality LCD screen and 120Hz refresh rate. We will be doing device boot up, display, gaming and browser test. Come, let's get started. Friends, what do you think about iPad Pro versus Samsung Tab S7? Do let us know your opinion in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a like and share this video. Please subscribe to our iTech channel for more tech videos. Stay safe and thank you for watching iTech.